Hey guys, I'm Jared with Stryker Boats, and we're here today to introduce you to our new pump system. It's the Bravo BTP12. So let me go through a few of the pieces that come in your box here. So we're going to have the pump assembly, we're going to have the 12-volt plug-in, we're going to have your battery pack, and we're going to have your AC 110 wall charger. Basically all you're doing is you're hooking up your 12-volt leads to your vehicle's battery and you're turning on the pump. What most people are going to use, I'd say 90% of the time, you're going to be using this battery pack. Now this battery pack, there's a slot in your case that simply slips in and you attach the pump's connector to the battery. There is a whip on this battery which allows you to charge the pump from a 110 wall source before you go out. Now you simply plug it into the whip, plug it into your wall, and there's a red light on here that will go green when your pump is full. On this pump here, it's a digital pump. There is an on, off, start, stop. So what we want to do is we're looking for 3.5 PSI. So we set our pump to 3.5 PSI, and to do that, you hold the up or the down arrow buttons until the light starts flashing. When it starts flashing, you can select the appropriate pressure for the boat, or if you have a stand-up paddle board, you're going to be setting it to a higher pressure. We will provide all those pressures as well in your owner's manual. So for the boat, we're going to go 3.5 PSI. We wait until the light stops blinking. When it stops blinking, we can hit the start, stop button. One of the questions we get asked a lot about these pumps is there's a very distinct sound change after 1 PSI. And a lot of people get scared and they turn their pump off and feel it's not working correctly. The pump is meant for that sound change. What's happening is that this is a dual stage pump. So the first stage is a volume mode, and that's going to pump your boat to 1 PSI. The second stage kicks on at 1 PSI to 3.5 where the boat goes, or wherever you set that pump to, up to 15 PSI. That distinct sound change means you're going into the pressure mode, and it is perfectly normal. Some of the features included in this pump are an automatic shutoff. Now the automatic shutoff is a great system as it allows you to get everything else ready with your products while the pump is working. This hose is a very strong rubberized hose. It is the nicest hose we have seen on the market, and we do pre-install the Hulky Roberts valve with all the pumps right out of the box, so there's no need to look for a proper fitment. Another thing to pay attention on this pump, you're going to see two different outlets. One's an outlet, one's an inlet. So the top one here, and it's going to be red. So your red port, that is your outlet port, and that's the port that you want to connect to for pumping up your boat. If you connect to the lower port, that will assist in deflating the boat should you choose. Now typically we don't need to use that because the volume of air we can move through the Hulky Roberts valves on the boat are generally sufficient to remove enough air out of the boat. The runtime on these pumps is about 40 minutes under normal operating procedures. We do recommend, however, that you charge the pump as soon as possible after use and periodically over months of no use to keep that battery at a fully charged state. Another great feature about this pump is the included carrying case. It comes with a convenient shoulder strap and separate compartments for each item that comes with the pump. Thanks for watching, guys. For any more information on our products, please visit us at strykerboats.com. Thank you.